Select the razor tool and cut the timeline. Hold Option and drag the timeline, make duplicate timeline. Right-click, select Add Hold Frame. Go to Opacity and select Pen tool, create a carefully selection subject, make a mask. Select the razor tool and cut extra part timeline. Select Motion and check the toggle animation position. Go to Continue next to Frame and change position value according to frame. Now select Opacity and change Mask Feather 5. And Mask Expansion value 100. Now final result. Now subscribe my AniMotion channel for more interesting video. Thanks watching my video.